Hi, and welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisals on Tuesday, the 1st of December, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and we've had looks to be a bit of a rebound on Eurodollar today. It's interesting because the dollar is correcting and has been since yesterday afternoon, and that is now beginning to finally show through on Eurodollar. It took a while to get going this morning, but certainly the Eurodollar is now beginning to pick up. About 40 odd pips up on the day. So a decent little rally on Eurodollar at the moment. And that move is now beginning to really test this downtrend that we've got. No real suggestion yet that there's any significant pickup yet. I mean, the RSI has been sort of failing around that sort of 35-40 mark all throughout the last month or so, 6 weeks. And it's still not yet there, so you wouldn't yet suggest that this is a major rally. However, you could well see a bit of a continued rally higher today, because what we have seen is a bit of a break of that downtrend on the hourly chart. Look at the momentum as well. The momentum is picking up. RSI on the hourly chart up towards 70. If you saw that above 70, then I think that would be considered to be a pretty decent rebound. You may well then see a test of that 106.40 area, which is a historic level of resistance on this chart, 106.40, and that's the first real resistance that needs to be tested on the upside before you see any sort of real rally. And then you've got the sort of key reaction high at 106.90. So a couple of levels for you to work with on the upside, but certainly at the moment the rally has started to go, but not in any way just really got any legs on it yet. So I'd just be a little bit cautious on this one. You do have this dollar correction that is going through the market at the moment across the majors, and whether this continues or not remains to be seen. I think the PMI data today could be a driving factor behind whether this dollar correction continues or not, because I think the Chicago PMI data that we saw yesterday drove the move away from the dollar. And if the ISM data comes in positively today, then that could quite easily just completely and utterly turn around again. So you need to watch out for that data at 3 o'clock this afternoon. That, I think, is going to be the main driving force behind the move today. At the moment, though, we are seeing this little dollar correction, and that is dragging Eurodollar higher. Whether it continues or not, who knows, remains to be seen. But that key resistance overhead comes in around 106.40 and then 106.90 as the two key levels. But at the moment, the momentum indicators are still just saying, to be honest, that these rallies are a chance to sell, with the hourly RSI up towards sort of the mid-60s. That's pretty much where it's sort of fallen over previously. MACD lines, again, similar sort of unwind towards neutral, and so basically there needs to be more needs to be done on this rally before you can really sort of start to back a recovery play in the euro. But signs of a bit of life, but you need more confirmation, I think. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today on the euro, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.